Here goes the other saws I've been asked to fix. This one's a Dalmar, not running right. When I got it, the chain was hanging off it, so I've put that back on. Here's a wee Poulan. This one is very low in compression. So I'll have a look at that and see what I can find. That may be scored a piston and barrel, but I won't know until I take the exhaust off. And here's the Husqvarna that I've been asked to fix. A 455 Rancher. So that had very low compression on it as well when I got it. And I've already taken the exhaust off. And here's the problem here. So I don't know how far they want to go with it. I'll have to ask them. I've already taken some pictures and I'm going to show them. So yeah. So it's yeah, just a few wee saws. So here's my here's the one I built for my father, 18-inch bar on it. It needs a bit of work. It still runs. It blew the deflector off the muffler and melted the chain brake side cover. So that's on the to-do list. I probably won't get to it this time around. But what I did as a temporary measure, I welded a deflector onto it just to stop the melting. And as you can see, it's made a good job of the plastic. So, and yeah, this seems to be a good runner. So I'll just clean that up. When I get a side cover, I might have a look at getting another muffler as well. So that's the saws I've got to fix. Yeah,